Give me that foot. Give Mommy your feet. Come here. Give me your feet. That's not giving me your feet. Give me your feet. Charley, you need to get off your brother's cage. Get off his house, baby. Upside down, really? Come here. Get off your brother's house. Come here. Char. I know you can hear me. Come here. Give me your feet. Charley. Charley, stop ignoring Mommy. Char. Char. You don't even look real. You don't look real. Leave your brother alone. Come here. You're so rotten. Charley. Come here. You're being rude. Char. Leave him alone, honey. He doesn't want you. Charley. Charley, leave your brother alone, honey. Come here. Hey. Come here. Ugh, I can't reach you. You won't come here? You're not going to do it. I know you, Charley. I know you too well. Huh, huh, That's what you sound like. You're so weird. Come here. Come to Mommy. Give me your feet. Oh my goodness, you're so rude. You're lucky you're cute. Hi. You're lucky. Hi, baby. Be good, okay?